Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke Jela Meghalaya ubah Apol Lyngdoh haka katsau terik urisau arhajar arpusau. Ulelit banjurib ban peliru ek office terekam ka Women and Child Development Control Room jong ke Child Helpline bat ke 181 Women Helpline ka badan hak office terekam ka Directorate ke Social Welfare haka jengidan rekat ka Director Ketenat ikong Sidi Lengwa ke Officer kinong trei bat kiwe-kiwe. Ya kene ke helpline la beitengka da ketenat Women and Child Development bat ke Women Helpline ke hab apo ke Mission Shakti ke balas sedang naruk ke senam arajar ka nyo bat rengkat ke jinget trailang bat ka 1098 Child Helpline bat ka 112 Disaster Emergency kelana penklan ya ke jing terekam jongka da ka bawan ra ru buon ki jing ujor ki balayo ha kene ketenat Nadu bala tahu ikan ni kesenat terekam keladon Hendrius Paatam ki jingja sya thombor ki kena banang hapo kat prasnam karta ki bagan ni ketenat kalayo ban register bat ki don nyos pa nyu prat li ki jingja balayo ki jing ujor halor ke jing sya thombor ki kentai haba kerani kilat patai kubor na kaliang menteri ulong ba ka jing wan banjure ke ka office terekam kalong bandang penklan ke jing terekam ke ka office ha ka beidei bat ka jing ai jing arab ki kenaret bat ki long keme ki badan hapeng ke jing Kumjuru ban bishar benia halor ka jing terekam jong ka directorate. Menteri ulong ba lala bandang penbahas syuk da kebawan kumni. Ya ke jing dan kam ka office terekam jong sarkar da ba kedauru bagan ni ketenat kandang dan kam ban klan syuk ekor kom terekam. Ula kedauru baga jing buon ki jing ja sya thombor ki kentai bat ki kena kalong namar babun kila kam mi syakmat banwan ujor namar ki por ba menchua kim jikwa ban pentip lane banwat jing yarap.
As you will have noticed, the fact that the success rate, if you go back to the figures displayed there, which would be somewhere around 90%. A lot of these cases are supposed to be closed, which means that they have reached a logical end. Uh, Two is now there is greater sensitivity and greater familiarity amongst citizens of Meghalaya about these issues. So more and more cases are getting reported. If you compare the situation today with what was 10 years ago, it would be a huge difference because earlier on, people preferred to stay silent. The maximum that they would report would be to go to the Rangbashno, to the Dorpashno, which doesn't have the legal wherewithal to deal with such cases. Now that there is more awareness, people are coming forward, and therefore the number of cases is also. See, as I said, we will need to further strengthen the department, ensure that where cases take longer than they should take, those will be corrected. And once we integrate their information system with the secretariat, I will be in a position to see the data flowing on a daily basis, and we can then take corrective measures in such cases.